Hello my friends, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking them out AmazerBath. This is a toilet stool. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get inside the box and how it sets up. Alright guys, this is what it looks like. So what you do, you lift the legs. There's different levels that you can have it at. You can kind of hear it click, but this is it. So it slides inward and then you can have it outward. So this is great for kids, for elderly people, for those that are disabled. So that's how it looks. Quick, easy setup. There's no bolts to bolt. There's nothing. It all comes completely together. And to fold it, you press the button on the side and you just lay it down. Same with the other end. Now if you lay it down and you let go of the bolt as you're pushing it down, it doesn't go any further and it stops right there. So make sure you press the bolt in the sides, which is right there, in there, and that's it.